You just found the 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Introducing the Ford F-150 Lightning, a game changer in the world of electric trucks. Combining the rugged durability and capability that Ford is known for with an innovative all-electric powertrain, the F-150 Lightning delivers powerful performance and impressive range. Its advanced technology, spacious interior, and sleek design ensure a superior driving experience. Drive into the future with the Ford F-150 Lightning, where power meets sustainability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, 4x4, dual zone AC, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Embrace the next generation of driving and treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.